All right, so I've never changed a miter saw blade before. So I looked up a video of one that looks like mine, but apparently it wasn't like mine because mine, the saw blade is held on with a reverse thread bolt. So I broke the bolt off. Two things that I broke besides the bolt was a little like locking pin, bent that. So I'm gonna try and bend it back. And obviously, well, the rest of the bolt is stuck in this shaft, and it's far enough down in there that I don't think I'm skilled enough to weld up and weld a nut on. That's normally what I do for broken off bolts, but like I said, that's down pretty far in there. So I'm gonna try and drill that out. A few tools I used, at least for this Craftsman model, to get all that apart. Some of the stuff on that shaft was held together with some snap rings, some snap ring pliers, brass punch. That shaft was pressed into a bearing, and then the center punch. So my drill bit doesn't walk, if you can see in there, maybe not, but center punched in there. Yeah, so I'm gonna try the impact. Just going, well, like I said, it's a reverse thread, so we'll see if the impact drill with an impact drill bit going clockwise, we'll be able to get that out. Let's see. Oh, I did something. Oh, I probably missed it, but it bit in there a little bit. It'll focus. It's at least flush now. That's exciting. Sorry for the bad camera angle, but shoot. Well, I think my bit walked a little bit for sure, but it's at least flush, so that's not as bad as it was. I think I'm gonna grab a punch and just try and tap it out. All right, so got it out. That all was stuck down in there. So unfortunately that's reverse thread. I'm gonna try my local hardware store. I think I found the right one on Amazon, but I'll try the local place first, might be a little bit quicker. Yeah, I was nervous I was gonna have to buy this whole piece. I wouldn't be able to get that bolt out, but looks like it worked out okay. Next thing to fix will be this little pin. That's like the locking pin. Should be straight, and mine is not. So we're gonna heat it up and try and bend it back. Took me about 5 minutes, we'll say 8 minutes between drilling the rest of that bolt out and tapping it with that punch. So let's see, it's been about 11 minutes real time. We'll heat this up and see how long it takes to get warm and hopefully bend it back. try that, I suppose. That was about a minute. Shoot. We're gonna move this up a little bit. It didn't really get hot. Actually, where it was bent, like right in the vise, so I'll try that again. It only took about a minute to get hot. That's definitely warm. Oh. I don't know if that was straight at all, but suppose that's straighter. It's hard to tell. Straighter than what it was. We'll say that much at least. Yeah. Yeah, hard to say. Not perfect, but should be good enough to work. So, lesson learned here is YouTube videos might give you a good idea, but at least for something like this, it might not be exactly what you need. So if you can find the correct owner's manual, and yeah, might give you better instructions.